sweet citrus chaos, or creamy cocktail legend. You decide. Hey guys, Tom here. Welcome back to the Underground and the Shot Shootout. We are continuing along in the second round of the shootout to try and find the best old-time shot from back in the day when I was younger and I went to bars and drank shots and made shots. Actually made a lot of shots in my day too. So we have, let's see, we got a few more in here. Probably, let's see, couple more rounds to go. So let's pick these out and see where we are going to be. And then probably next time I'll probably have some, I think this might be our third round in the second round of the shootout. So I'll probably have some results for you. So I hope you've been voting. I hope you're subscribed to the Underground so you can see everything that we're doing here. I hope you're commenting on the videos, liking the episodes, sharing them to somebody that you might know who would enjoy. Oh man, these I just keep forgetting how good these are. Lemon drop. Wow, that's going to be a good one. Yeah, what was I saying? Sharing the videos with somebody you know that might enjoy a good libation from time to time, and you never know. Oh, now we made this one before too. Russian Quaalude. So it's lemon drop and Russian Quaalude. Let me get this stuff together to make them, and then we will move on with the shootout. Okay, so these two are going to be interesting because they're two very different, and they probably don't really go together when I drink them. So this should be interesting. I'm going to start with the Russian Quaalude only because that has a little bit more ingredients. And those ingredients are your favorite vodka, your favorite Irish cream, some hazelnut liqueur, and whatever coffee liqueur you happen to enjoy. And it's real simple because it is basically just equal parts that you mix up and then drink. Mix up, chill, and then drink, I should say. So I'm going to do, my equal parts are going to be, should I do half or should I do, let's see, what's this one? That's one, that's one, this is one, and this is a half. So I'll do halves. So we got vodka. Get these out of our way as we go. Some hazelnut liqueur. Now, this one, obviously we made it before because it's moved on to the second round. And aside from just using different liquors like a different brand of vodka, or this happens to be the coffee liqueur I'm using right now. Use regular Kahlua or some other brand of coffee liqueur, or Irish creams vary. We did Irish cream tasting previously on the show, and they vary quite a bit too. So the actual spirit that you use is going to determine or play a part anyway in the overall flavor of how the drink turns out. Now, that being said, regardless of what you decide to use, they're all going to be good. And we know they're all going to be good because this made its way into the second round of the shootout. So we know it's good because it beat whoever it matched up against the last time, right? So let's give this a quick shake. A shake and a strain. And just like that, friends, Today's matchup in the Shot Shootout is off and running with a revisit to the Russian Quaalude. Now next up, we're doing a simple drink, and that drink is, I'm going to do a short one, I think, the lemon drop. Now, I think the last time we made lemon drop, we did vodka, and we put a little bit of lemon juice in it, and then it was a sugar rimmed glass. We're not going to do that this time. This time, we are going to do it the way that I always used to do it when I would 10 bar. And you need, I think anyway, you need chilled vodka. I happen to have a little airplane bottle in the freezer there. And then what I would do, I would serve them, I would pour the vodka. Well, no, first I would put the lemon there, and I would give them a sugar packet because it was a restaurant, so we had sugar packets. I don't have sugar packets, but I have a little bit of sugar. So what I'm going to do is put a little bit of sugar on my napkin, and then this is how you would serve it. You would serve the shot glass with the napkin, some sugar, and the vodka, ice cold vodka, and that would be the way you serve this classic shot, the lemon drop. All right, guys, there is our two drinks. There is two of the drinks we are going to match up in this round of the shootout, if I can learn how to speak and get my grammar correctly. This is gonna be fun. I don't know, I like both of these. I don't know which one, I know which one I'm leaning towards, but we'll see after I taste them. And speaking of tasting them, we're gonna do that, but before we do, be sure, bang that subscribe, turn on notifications, hit the bell, all that stuff, so you can hang out with us and make sure you don't miss anything here at the Underground. And with that being said, it's time for the best part of the show, where we say, ready, drink. I think I'm going to do this, the lemon drop first, and this is how. I mean, it's real simple. I mean, if you drink tequila, you know how to do this. You get the lemon and you soak it in the sugar. And then it's just going to be a bang, and then you pop the lemon. Cheers. Thanks for coming and see us today. Lemon drop. I mean, that's the thing about these old-timey shots that I think I just got lost over the years. I have a little more left. That people just don't appreciate them for it's simplicity. It's delicious simplicity. You get good vodka, a juicy lemon, and some sweet sugar, and it's really a match made in heaven. I really enjoyed that. I'm going to actually drink the rest of that vodka and do that, have a little bit more of that here in a minute. But before I do that, actually I'm going to have some water. We're going to try this one. Now this one we just did not too long ago, as I recall. This was probably one of the last matchups in the first round of the shootout. Again, simple ingredient. I think probably the most uncommon ingredient that somebody might not have at their home bar would probably be the hazelnut. But I mean, you certainly can get it out at your local gin mill, bar, tavern, inn, public house, social house, hospitality location. I'm still looking for all your suggestions on what we call bars, but I digress. So here is to the Russian Quaalude. It's just one of those dessert drinks. I'm trying to think. That one, I like it. Again, it's different from the last time because I think the last time we made it, I think we have since changed. I'll have to look at the video. Changed our coffee, changed our vodka, and changed our Irish cream. So, like I said, it makes a difference when you are making drinks, what you use. I mean, that didn't make it bad by any stretch of the imagination, the brands of the ingredients I used, but it just made it different. And again, same thing even with this. I mean, if you use a crappy bottom of the barrel vodka that you get for $7 for a handle, it's going to taste different than you use. I mean, this just happens to be, a very popular brand of vodka, Tito's. Not that not naming brands, but we use all kinds of different vodkas here at the Underground, but they're all drinkable vodkas. So that is the lesson for the day. It doesn't have to be the best. You should buy good stuff you like, but regardless, all things that are the same are not necessarily equal. That is what I'm trying to say. So with that, I will leave you to it. I'm going to finish the rest of this little bit of vodka. I have a little bit of lemon left here. And I'm going to say thanks for stopping by, coming to see us right here in the Underground. Don't forget to vote. Tell us which one you want to see go on to the next round of the shootout, whether it be the lemon drop or the Russian Quaalude. And I'll see you again real soon. And until that time, remember, I will say this evening at the bar for you. Cheers.